To write an email with your Chromebook, you're going to go to the district email button on your class link. And this is going to log in for you. If it's your first time, it might take a little while, but ClassLink should make the magic happen in the background. Next up, so you can see we've got some emails here. You're going to want to click on the New Mail button. It'll bring you to this screen. Here, if you just start to type, the person that you're trying to email, I'm going to try to email Mr. Porter. And if I had a question for him, you make sure you put in a appropriate subject. Next, you're going to type your email. Once you're done and you've got a title and you've said goodbye, to wrap things up, also I proofread this, then you just need to hit send, and your email will be sent to the recipient.